Whoa!
Hey, yo, calm down.
What's up, world? Welcome back to Alpha CCS Central Hub. My name is Zero Miles, a humble computer science student of Our Lady Fatima University. And today, when I'll be showing you on how to install Ubuntu Server OS on VirtualBox and install Active Directory in it. Before we proceed, of course, we're going to need VirtualBox. And of course, next is the Ubuntu Server OS. To download the Ubuntu Server OS, we're going to need to click Alternative Downloads. The next is the pick the Ubuntu Server OS. First, we open the VirtualBox. Then, next is to click Add. The next is to name your virtual machine any type you want, as long it's in you can remember it. The next is to insert the Ubuntu Server OS that you download from the Ubuntu website. Click next. It's important is to type your username and your password. Next, just click next, of course. Adjust the preferred base memory and processors. As long it is in green, you're fine. Nothing will go wrong into the installation. Next is to select the preferred language to your system. Select is to update the new installer. Leave this default. Change nothing here. Then select done. Leave this default again. Leave this default again. And select continue. Leave this default again. Select done and continue. This is where we enter your earlier username and password. Select skip for now. Select the install open SSH server and then leave this default. Now it's installing. While we wait for the installation, what is Ubuntu Server OS? Ubuntu Server OS is a lightweight and open source operating system optimized for servers. It supports various server roles like web hosting, file sharing, database management, and virtualization. And it's known for its stability, security, and ease for use. It's ideal for businesses, developers, and cloud environments. On the further part of the video, I will be explaining what is the realm. The realm is important for the Active Directory. Next, after the installation, is log in the username and password again. The next is type sudo app upgrade and sudo app upgrade 1 minus y. Type again the following commands. You can pause the screen if the video is fast. Then just copy the command. Here, type the command, type the following to the then save. What I'm saying last realm for the Active Directory is a separate entity where you can connect to a different user directory and set up configuration and resources specifically for this set of users. Realm is a command line tool that can be used to manage enrollment in Kerberos realms. The next preferred name to the YAML file. It's an L, not an I. The next is type the following command again. Sudo netlan apply. The next is type the following command. Pause again the video uh, if you can, if it's fast. Uh, okay, the realm is like it is used to manage enrollment in Kerberos realms like Active Directory domains or IPA domains. Next is the type the following command again. Sudo systemctl stop smbd nmbd winbind. Next, type again the following command. Sudo systemctl disable smbd nmbd winbind. Next is the sudo systemctl unmask samba addc. The samba also is the essential for the installing active directory into the Ubuntu Server OS. Next is this, type the following command. Sudo samba tool domain provision -- use -- rfc2307 -- interactive. Next is this is where you to type your preferred realm, like you want the full name of your website or the realm. Then next is you type your preferred domain. It's like a shortcut, I don't know, but I preferred it in the video to include the domain. Then next is there will be 3 texts that you need to prompt. Just leave those 3 default. The next is the important one. Type the administrator password. You should follow the following requirements for creating the administrator password. Next is sudo nano / etc/ krb6.cop. I mean conf. Next is type the following again and save the command. The next again, so type the following command. Sudo systemctl start samba addc. Next, following command again. Copy the command. Next is the sudo samba tool domain level show. These commands, the samba, will be able to enable the Active Directory. The next is the sudo nano is / etc krb.conf krb5. And next is we change the name server IP address and save. Next is the type the following. Remember your realm that you written, you save, I mean. Next, type again the following command and your realm. Do not forget your realm that you written. You type. Type again the following command: sudo samba tool user create preferred username. This is where we create the account for the active directory. The next is create the password. Next, type the following commands: is sudo systemctl stop smbd and mbd winbind samba addc. Next, type the following command: sudo rm /etc /samba s /smb conf configuration. The next is the sudo samba tool domain provision hyphen use, then rfc 237 space hyphen interactive. Then you type the realm that you created, then domain. Of course, leave those three default alone. Do not change them. Just enter. Then of course the administrator password. After that, it will install down the Active Directory. After that, sudo systemctl status samba addc to check the status. Then next is type pwd if you want to check the Active Directory. And next, how do we verify Active Directory? Next is we type run risk to check if the Active Directory is established or installed. This should be then next is the kinit administrator, then your realm.com. This should be your terminal would look like if you already installed the Active Directory. The next is the get end password. This should be the output. And lastly, let's check again the pwd. Then there you can see that it shows the Active Directory and the user that I created in the domain in that Active Directory. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.